To check your existing price exceptions and create new price exceptions, start by hovering over your person icon and selecting My Price Exceptions. Here you can see a list of your approved and expired price exceptions. You can use the Search Price Exceptions utility to search for PEs of a certain status. Validity duration, PE number, product name or number, or end user name. In this example, we will search for a PE that contains a Zebra TC56 mobile computer. During this step, we can also click into an approved PE and add it straight to the cart. To create a new PE, start by clicking on Create a new PE and typing in the name of the end user. You can use the search bar to add to the PE by typing in the item number or product name. In this example, we'll add an Element 455 POS terminal and an Element RW973 printer into the PE. During this step, please change the special buy price to the amount you'd like to purchase the product for. Say we want to pay $1,200 for the Element 455 and $200 for the LRW973. We'd put in those amounts and press save. Finish by entering your name and reference number. If you don't have one, you can leave this field as blank. You can export this PE to Excel for reference, or submit the PE for approval by using the Submit PE for Approval button. An email will be sent to your account stating that your web PE has been received. Additionally, you can also refresh an existing or expired PE by clicking into it and selecting Duplicate Price Exception.